Welcome back to Let's Listen. In today's world, we often need to solve problems over the phone or online. It requires clear and patient communication. In this audio, you will listen to a customer speaking with an online support executive. The customer has an issue and the executive helps to resolve it. Listen to the structure of the conversation, how they greet, how they explain the problem, and how they find a solution. Listen naturally.
Hello, thank you for contacting Amazon. My name is Ankit. How may I assist you today?
Hello Ankit, I have an issue with a product I received recently. It is defective.
I'm sorry to hear that, ma'am. I'll definitely help you with this. First, may I have your registered mobile number or email ID, please?
Yes, it's 98765-43210.
Thank you. And may I please have your name for verification?
I am Sneha Sharma.
Thank you, Ms. Sharma. I have verified your account. Now, could you please tell me the order number for the item?
Yes, the order number is 123-456-7890.
Thank you. I can see the order. It's for a wireless Bluetooth speaker delivered 3 days ago. Is that correct?
Yes, that's the one.
All right. You mentioned it is defective. Could you please tell me the issue in detail?
Yes, the speaker turns on, but it does not connect to my phone via Bluetooth. I have tried with 2 different phones. Also, the sound quality is very distorted. There is a constant crackling noise.
I understand. Did you try charging it fully and resetting the device as per the manual?
Yes, I did. I charged it for over 4 hours. I also pressed the reset button, but the problem is still there.
I see. Thank you for trying those steps. Based on what you describe, this does seem to be a product malfunction. I apologize for the inconvenience caused.
So, what can be done now?
We have a couple of options for you, Ms. Sharma. Since the product is within the return window and is defective, we can initiate a replacement. We will ship a new unit to you.
And what about this faulty piece?
For your convenience, we offer a pickup service. Once you approve the replacement, our logistics partner will come to your registered address and pick up the defective item. There will be no extra charge for this.
Okay, that sounds good. How long will the new speaker take to arrive?
Usually the replacement process takes 5 to 7 business days, but I will also raise a priority request for you. You will get a confirmation SMS with the details and the tracking link.
Alright, please go ahead with the replacement then.
Certainly, ma'am. I am initiating the replacement request now. Please stay on the line for a minute. Thank you for your patience. The replacement has been approved. A new unit will be shipped to you. The pickup for the old item is scheduled for tomorrow between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. You will receive an SMS shortly.
Okay, do I need to pack it in the original box?
Yes, please. If possible, pack it with all the accessories like the charging cable and manuals. The executive will bring a replacement docket for you to sign.
Understood. Thank you, Ankit.
You are most welcome, Ms. Sharma. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. You have been very helpful.
It's my pleasure. We value your association with Amazon. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. This was a customer service conversation. Notice the key elements. The customer was clear and provided all details. Order number, problem, steps already tried. The executive was polite, verified information, and offered a solution. In such talks, being calm and precise is very important. Listen to this a few times. Notice the useful phrases. This is practical English for a common situation. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing with Let's Listen.